the Cryotec has launched the new model. We've really enjoyed it, and it is user-friendly. And we do feel like we save time with the new product. So we are very happy with it, especially now with the bulk packages. So it saves space in our fridge, so we're very happy. We have seen that we have better survival rates, so that will ultimately lead to better outcomes in our laboratory.
Especially when you have new embryologists in your lab that have just started using Cryotec and that need some training. I think the RTU is very efficient and is definitely going to assist with results.
There's a higher viscosity. This helps embryologists when handling oocytes or embryos during both processes. I found it all very easy, straightforward. I appreciated how very user-friendly. You can put it in the incubator, take it out, everything is labeled for you, and it makes it just so much easier for us to work with.
I love the new media. The packaging is really, really exciting, and it feels very easy. It feels very easy, and the fact that I can now take my time and flow around with my cryoprotectants, it makes it very interesting actually. One of the major advantages about the ready-to-use is the fact that I don't have to waste time trying to measure, and then I don't have to worry about putting just the TS in the incubator. I can just put everything and then bring it out and use everything all at once. And then I can play around the media. I don't have to stick to a particular 1 second time or 2 second time. Is really an advantage to me.
Personally, really admired Cryotec dishes because you don't lose your oocytes. It's very user-friendly. Even when you're dipping your Cryotec into your TS, for example, that's a new thing for me that I tried today. Your hands don't really shake because it's anchoring at an angle, so I appreciate that. The clarity of the straw itself is really good. The flexibility is good. The width is good. The dishes you don't lose. Like everything has a dip, so you're trying. Even if it goes afloat, you're not really losing your eggs or embryos here and there. So it's less stress on the embryologist, and it's better results for the patient.
Currently in my lab, we use the Cryotec method. With the ready-to-use, I observed that the timing is shorter compared to the conventional one, which makes a lot of sense because if you're freezing a whole number of oocytes and embryos, you need to shorten the time. So that will really help reduce the work time. It will make work easier, and it will make it seamless, where you don't always have to, bring out the media, take it back into the fridge, bring it out again. So you just use that for a patient and then you discard. So I think it will also make things a bit, would I say, less expensive, where you have to keep reusing media. So you just use that for one patient and then have that discarded.